In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Chrome in Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. Clearing your cache is one of the easiest ways to fix slow browsing, website loading issues, old page content, and even some login problems. If you want Chrome to run a little smoother and load fresh versions of websites, this is a great place to start. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. You can do that from your desktop, your taskbar, or by searching for Chrome in the Start menu. Once Chrome is open, you're ready for the next step. Now, we need to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. The fastest way to do that is by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This keyboard shortcut will bring up the Clear Browsing Data window right away. If you prefer, you can also open the Chrome menu and look for the Browsing Data option, but the shortcut is definitely the quickest method. Once the Clear Browsing Data window appears, you'll see a few options at the top for choosing a time range. You can clear data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or all time. If your goal is to fully clear the cache, I recommend selecting all time. That gives you the cleanest reset and removes the stored files that Chrome has saved over time. Next, look for the checkbox labeled Cached Images and Files. This is the main option you want to clear if you're trying to remove the cache. You can also choose to delete browsing history or cookies and other site data, but that part is optional. If you only want to clear the cache and keep other data intact, leave anything you do not want to remove unchecked. That way, you have more control over what gets deleted. After you've selected the time range and checked cached images and files, take one final moment to review your choices. This is important, especially if you want to avoid signing out of websites or losing saved browsing history. Once everything looks correct, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will now delete the cached website files. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take just a few seconds. When it's finished, you can refresh the websites that were giving you trouble, and in many cases, they should load properly again with the newest version of the page. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache on Chrome in Windows 11. This simple process can help resolve a lot of common browser issues and give you a smoother browsing experience. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.